In this video, let's create a use case mapping for the contract metadata extraction skill. To begin, select the All menu. In the search bar, type Now Assist Admin, and then select Skills. Expand Employee and then select CM Pro. Select Activate Skill for contract metadata extraction. In the guided setup, select Use Case Mappings. Select the New button to create a new use case mapping. In the form, enter the details for the use case mapping. Add a unique name for the use case mapping. Select the use case for which you want to create the mapping. Select the contract type for which the use case will be applicable. Set the order value to define the priority for use cases that meet the same conditions. Select the table from which contract requests are created. The use case applies to contracts generated from this table. For this mapping, we'll keep the default contract request table. Select the repository table where contract records are created. The use case applies to contracts in this table, and the extracted metadata will be added here. On selecting the repository table, the contract repository conditions section is displayed. Let's define one condition for the request table and another for the repository table. These conditions ensure that the use case applies for metadata extraction only when all specified criteria are met. Select Save. The use case mapping is created successfully.